So in this particular session, we discuss some of the basic concepts of what is exactly big data, what is distributed computing, what is MapReduce. We discuss some of the examples of big data. We discuss what exactly is Hadoop. Hadoop is not big data, so don't use it as a synonym to big data. We discussed some concepts of MapReduce. We discussed what is HDFS, Hadoop Distributed File System. So how do we move local files to Hadoop distributed file system, how HDFS cuts all these bigger files into smaller pieces, how does it do replication, etc. We saw one simple example. We use copy from local command to move the local files onto HDFS. So we did all these uh, uh, we discussed all these concepts in this session. In later sessions, we'll go little bit deep inside Hadoop components. We understand what is MapReduce programming, how do we write MapReduce programs, and then there are some other tools within Hadoop ecosystem, Hive and Pig. So what is Hive, what is Pig? We are going to discuss about them. Some exciting sessions are coming up. So this is just introduction to big data, the biggest buzzword outside the market. You should have clear understanding of this big data before we go on to next sessions. Make sure that uh, you have done the exercise before moving on to the next session. Make sure that you collected the virtual box from me. Make sure that you have the data sets that are collected from me. Make sure you collected the password from me. Then only you move on to next session. So we are done with the introduction to big data.